Mr. Shelby, may I tell you something? You have a lot of enemies.
Many enemies. Does your ambition have no limits?
I have no limitations.
I have no limitations.
Been on back for the next say song. Never tell a back that I never stay running. Sipping on facts, damn, know I got stacks in the lab. Taking bitches straight for another cat.
Welcome to Market Makers, everybody, and happy early 4th of July. And this is my Dutch Shepherd Tiger, and he's excited because he knows I'm about to take him out after this. Get down, buddy. So, guys, I want to talk about what's going on in the markets right now. This is a short week because we have the 250th anniversary of our independence in the USA for July 4th. So markets are closed Friday. Won't be an additional Bitcoin video, but if you want my videos throughout the week, check out the join button right there on YouTube because you can hang out with us in the Discord or get my videos directly on YouTube as well. And check out the video description. We're going to cover Ethereum, Solana. You can see the trading platforms you can utilize there as well to help support the channel. And let's talk about the price action, because if you took a vacation in June, early June, like June 4th, and then just came back here on June 29th, you're the same exact price, 59K. We had a nice rally up here, and then it fell back off. But let's zoom this out first to the larger view, right? We look at this on a larger view, a couple of interesting things to share here. So if you look at this on a larger view on the weekly, every wave down gets a reflexive rebound, the rubber band effect, right? Wave down, rebound. Wave down, rebound. Wave down with the markets. If they fulfill my expectations, rally into July, I think you're going to get that rebound. And that obviously is the price target I want to talk about for a possible trade setup. That's what I'm looking at there on the crypto. So we're going to look at Ethereum and Solana. But when we look at this again, when you just look at the key levels here, 50K with your fractal low from 2024, if we were to dip back down, just makes more sense to me to establish a bias that this is going to come up, hit resistance, 73 to 76. Then if it's going to tank with the market retracement, if we get a summer retracement after a summer top, that's when you'll see these lower level targets hit with that flush out, right? Which is the thing that everybody wants to happen. I mean, I just wish it would get it over with, rip the band-aid off, because this is extremely boring price action in crypto. If we look at this on the daily, the near-term target, 62.6, 63.750, 65, all of these would have to be flipped to come up and get upside targets, which is what I think you're going to do here in July, 73.750 out to 76. That's the region I'm targeting. And then again, if we make a bearish pattern there, if the markets do top, set up for a retracement, I'll be looking to short, and then you'll see the flush out in crypto at that point. If you flip that level, you can go higher, right? So very, very basic there. If we look at the key levels beneath you here, 57.750, this is your 618 from the 2022 low up to your all-time high. We came within a couple hundred points at kissing that here, didn't quite get it. 54K, 50K, those are the levels that are lower if you were to just flush out from here, but I don't think that's your trajectory. When I look at Bitcoin here on the daily, you're building a line of support, the same area that you originally sold off to, 59K. Makes more sense, rebound effect, that you're going to come up, challenge some higher levels. You got to flip this level. You got to flip 65, 280 to come up to that 73 to 76. That would be my goal here, is to get to that level and then make a decision on crypto as far as staying long or getting short. If we look at Ethereum, 1579 mimics Bitcoin perfectly. You see this? I mean, we had the same thing. Sold off to our low, revisited the low. What was that? 1500? 1500 on a low, got a nice rally up. When I say nice rally, obviously you can measure these from your low to your high, 23% rally. Sold back off to the low, floating just above it. If you look at the levels to flip, you got to get above 1727 and 1780 to come up to the higher level targets. And those rally targets I have 2100 all the way up to 2250. Up in this region is what I'm targeting for a summer rally, where we'll see what Ethereum does. It makes a top. I'm going to be shorting it. If it breaks through, going to stay long in it, okay? But I think we're getting that reflexive rebound because I believe you're getting a breakout. We'll go watch the market videos. Been talking about it for months, rallying into July. If we look at Solana here as well, Solana is the most bullish of all of them. You're back up towards the top of your range already. 76, you're at 74.29. This is a level 2 flip. If you can flip 76, I have my targets 84 up to 90 bucks on Solana, where you're going to have to make a decision if you're Solana. You going up, continuing a rally, or you topping out and breaking down. So that would be the area to either hold your long or possibly create a new long or take profits or short. There's a bunch of options you can do. Depends what Solana wants to do. So those are the things that you're looking at. I trade Solana. I got in here at 62.55. I'm in Ethereum at, what is it, 15.30. I'm in Ethereum, so Ethereum's not doing much. Solana's up at 74. That's nice, but I want to see it break out, move up to the upside, and then you can look and see your options if you break out of the range. And to do that, you got to get Ethereum to break out. Ethereum's lagging way behind Solana. And of course, Bitcoin is lagging way behind Solana. So these bigger coins, especially Bitcoin, needs to show upside momentum, which you do not have right now, right? Will it develop? I hope so. If it underperforms, and you'd be looking at Bitcoin coming up to 63 to 65, failing in this range, and then losing this range and flushing out, right? That's a possibility as well, because it is crypto. But I do believe with the markets rallying into July to new all-time highs, I think we'll get that reflexive rebound again. Now I'm going backwards in the chart because this video is really fast. There's nothing to talk about. The price is the exact same level. When you look at the legs and how they play out, down, up, down, up, down, we should get one more reflexive rebound to make a decision on what price is going to do. See you guys on the next one. Everybody have a fun and safe weekend. Hope to see you in the Discord. Take care, everybody.